Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the new Microsoft Store from Windows 11 in Windows 10. This is the Microsoft Store app that we have in Windows 10. In Windows 11 the Microsoft Store has been redesigned and has a lot more apps than the Windows 10 Store. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get that new Microsoft Store in Windows 10. For the purpose of this video, to get the new Microsoft Store we're going to have to install Windows 11 version 21H2. I know version 21H2 is also the name of the first version of Windows 11, but Microsoft released Windows 10 version 21H2 that has a lot of fixes to certain issues, but in this new version we get the new Microsoft Store in Windows 10. So if you don't want to upgrade to Windows 11 right away, you can still use the new Microsoft Store in Windows 10. Normally, to get this new update, Windows 10 21H2, you would have to go into settings and then update and security and then click on check for updates. Unfortunately, right now Windows 10 21H2 doesn't come up through the Windows updates normally because it will come up gradually. If you want to install it sooner, you will have to join the Windows Insider program in Windows 10 within the release preview channel. Don't worry, the release preview channel basically allows you to install new versions of the Windows operating system earlier, let's say 2 weeks early before the official launch. So if you join the release preview channel, you'll be able to install the Windows 10 21H2 version a bit sooner and get that new Microsoft Store. So as you saw there, I checked for updates and now we're gonna wait for all these updates to install, and then we're gonna join the Windows Insider program with the release preview channel and then download Windows 10 21H2. After you've installed all the updates, let's go down in the left side and then click on the Windows Insider program. Click here, go to diagnostics and feedback, and then click on optional diagnostic data to get rid of that error, and then click on get started. Click on link an account and then select Microsoft account. Connect to your Microsoft account here. After you entered your account, select the release preview channel and then click on confirm. Again on confirm and then click on restart now for the changes to take effect, and then we will be able to install the Windows 10 21H2 version, basically the November update. After the restart, go get into the settings app, into the Windows update section, and then click on check for updates, and after a few checks, or maybe from the first check, you will see that new Windows 10 version, which is the 21H2 version. As you can see here, feature update to Windows 10 version 21H2. The next version of Windows is available with new features and security improvements. When you're ready for the update, select download and install. Just wait for the download and installation process to be finished. Of course, you're going to have to restart the computer. That could take up to 10 minutes or something like that. And after the update is finished, I'm going to show you what you need to do next in order to get that new Microsoft Store in Windows 10. After the restart, let's check and see what version of Windows we have. We have Windows 10 version 21H2. As I've said, if you don't want to make the upgrade to Windows 11 yet, you can still use the Microsoft Store. So let's just click on the Microsoft Store. As you can see, we still have the old Microsoft Store. To get the new one, just click on these three dots in the corner, click on downloads and updates, and then click on get updates, and all the apps and also the Microsoft Store will be updated to the latest version. And as you can see here, we have available updates 36. We have a lot of apps, including of course the Microsoft Store down here. Just wait for a bit, maybe a few minutes, and all these updates will be applied and we will have the new Microsoft Store. Now the Microsoft Store restarted, and as you can see, after the restart of the Microsoft Store app, we have the new Microsoft Store in Windows 10. For those of you who didn't see the new Microsoft Store yet, it has a completely new design. As you can see, everything from its design is related to Windows 11, those rounded corners, as you can see them. We have a bar here in the left side where we have the home button, the library, where we can see all the apps that we have installed. We can click on get updates to get updates, and basically we have a few more apps available here. We also have the app settings where we can set to update apps automatically. So of course, if you want to explore the new Microsoft Store, this is how you can get it in Windows 10 if you don't want to upgrade yet to Windows 11. I'm hoping this video was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like down below, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.